the practice set 2.1. In this practice set, first question is a classify the decimal form of a given rational number. Then in this question, we form the decimal form. Then the rational number, classify the decimal form of a given rational number in terminating and non-terminating recurring type. Then we given number first divided and then we decide this number are the decimal form is terminating and non-terminating recurring. Then first we give the one trick. Then in this trick we see find the denominator's prime factors, and these denominator's prime factors are the 2 or 5 or both the 2 or 5. Then this rational number decimal form is a terminating. And if the prime factors are not 2, 5 and we find the other factors, then this decimal form is a non-terminating recurring type. Then let us start the first example. In this first example, this number is a 13 upon 5. Then denominator is 5. Then this denominator, their prime factors are 1 into 5. Then here the prime factors are 2 or 5 or both the 2 or 5. Then this decimal form is a terminating form. Therefore here this is the terminating. Second example, look at the second example, 2 upon 11. In this denominator 11, their prime factor is 1 into 11. Then these prime factors are not 2 or 5. Then this decimal form is non-terminating recurring. Then the third example is 29 upon 16. Then here the denominator 16, their prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then the prime factor is 2. Then this decimal form is a terminating form. Then look at this question. In this question, we decide or classify the decimal form is a terminating and non-terminating recurring. Then we first divide and give the answer of the terminating and non-terminating recurring. But we save the time, we give the one trick. Trick is the denominator's prime factors are 2 or 5 or both the 2 and 5. Then this decimal form of the rational number is terminating. And the prime factors, denominator's prime factors are not 2, 5 or other the 3, 7. Then this decimal form is a non-terminating recurring type. Then in this first question, we solve the 3 examples and remaining examples we are solving in our notebook. Second question, write the following rational numbers in decimal. आता काय शोधायचं आपल्याला सेकंड क्वेश्चन मध्ये डेसिमल फॉर्म शोधायचं म्हणजे we use the division method. Then the first example in this question 127 upon 200. Then we know that the decimal point are here, the denominator is 200. First we 2 zeros, we give the decimal form 1.27 upon 2. This means that we divide only the 2 by this number. We get their decimal form. Here, first division is 0 because 1 is less than 2. Then here 1. We give the next number is 2. Point also the point. 2 6 are 12. Their division is 12. Then here 0. We give the next is a 7. Then 2 3s are 6. Then remainder 1. We take the 0. 2 5s are 10. Then here division is a completed. Then their decimal form is 0.635. Then we solve another examples by the division method and find the decimal form of the given example in your notebook. Then the first example 0.6 recurring. Then in this first example, one decimal point are the repeated. Then remember this yesterday point. 1 decimal point are recurring. We multiply this number is 10. 2 decimal points are recurring. We multiply by 100, and 3 decimal points are recurring. Then divided by the 1000. Multiply by the 1000. Then we give the consider let given number is a x. Then let x is equal to 0.6 recurring. Then this is the first equation. Then here multiply the 10 because 1 decimal point are recurring. Then both sides multiply by the 10. 10 into 0.6. Here second equation. Then here multiplication is 6.6 recurring. Here we multiply, actually then we give the one tree. Their point is only consider 6.6 recurring. आता इथे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना पहा, गुणाकार करताना आपल्याला फक्त काय करायचंय, हा 6 जो आहे तो इथे पॉइंटला सरकवायचा. म्हणजे जेवढा डबल ग्रुप आहे तो पुढे सरकून पॉइंट देऊन तोच गटले, म्हणजे आपल्याला गुणाकार सोपा जाईल. देन दिस इज द सेकंड इक्वेशन. Then subtracting equation first and second we get. Then the subtraction LHS to the LHS, RHS to the RHS. 6.6 recurring minus 0.6 recurring. Here subtraction 9x, here 6. 6.6 recurring minus 0.6 recurring. There are the 0, here 6. 6.0 means 6. Multiply 9 goes to the divider. Therefore, x is equal to 6 upon 9. Here simplify by the 3, 2 by 3. This means that 0.6 recurring. There P upon Q form is a 2 by 3. Look at the example. In this example, 1 decimal point is recurring. First consider the x. X is equal to 0.6 recurring. Then multiply this by the 10. 10 into x, 10 into 0.6 recurring. Multiplication is 6.6 recurring. Then 10x minus x is equal to 6.6 minus 0.6 recurring. Here subtraction is 9x. Here subtraction is 6. X multiply goes to divider. Then there is simplification by the 3, 2 by 3. Then the 0.6 recurring is equal to 2 upon 3. Then given example 0.6 recurring in the P upon Q form is a 2 upon 3. Then write down this example. We go to the second example. 0.37 recurring. Then in this example, first consider or let x is equal to 0.37. Then here the 2 decimal points are recurring. Then multiply by the 100. 100x is equal to 100 into 0.37 recurring. Their multiplication is only points are 37.37 recurring. Here it is the first equation, it is the second equation. Then subtracting these two equations, subtraction is 100x minus x and 37.37 recurring minus 0.37 recurring. Their subtraction is 99x. Here subtraction is only the 37. Multiply 99 goes to the divider. Then the x is a 0.37 recurring. There P upon Q form is a 37 upon 99. This is the second example. Write down your notebook. Third example 3.37. First we consider x is equal to 3.37 recurring. Then here 2 decimal forms are recurring. 2 decimal forms are recurring, then multiply by the 100. 3 decimal points are recurring, multiply by the 1000. Then 100x is equal to 100 into 3.70 recurring. Here multiplication is 370.70 recurring. This is second. Then subtracting the equation first and second, we get the answer 100x minus x is equal to 317.17 recurring minus 3.70 recurring. Here their subtraction, look at this, 17 minus point la point, here 3, here 70 recurring. Point la point, their subtraction 0, 7 minus 3, 4, 1 la 1, 11. Means that their subtraction is 340. There is the 99x. Therefore, 314 upon 90. This means that the 3.70 is equal to 314 upon 99. They are the P upon Q form. Then look at this example clearly. Here the two decimal points are recurring. We multiply by the 100. Then the equation first and second are subtracting LHS to the LHS, RHS to the RHS. Then this subtraction, multiply 99 goes to the divide. Their subtraction, here look at this, and the 3.17, their P upon Q form is a 314 upon a 99. Then in this question we solve the three examples, first, second, third. Then we solve the fourth and fifth example in your notebook. Okay.